Welcome to Management Made Simple.
Hi, I'm Anthony Francis, and as a leadership coach, I come across a lot of different challenges that leaders face today. So that's why I want to talk about the top 3 challenges that come up most with the leaders that I work with and how you can address them. Now, it's fair to say that in today's fast-paced business environment and the change to hybrid working, effective leadership is more crucial than ever before. Not only for the organisations, but also for the careers of those in leadership positions. However, many leaders find themselves overwhelmed by the numerous demands and challenges they face daily. And through my experience in leadership coaching, these are the top 3 challenges that come up most. Number 1 is clarity in decision making. Number 2 is displaying effective communication skills. And number 3 is poor time management. Now today I'll provide actionable strategies to address the first of these in this video, and that is clarity in decision making. You see, leaders often find themselves at the crossroads with multiple options, each of them having their own set of potential benefits and risks. Now this can lead to what is known as decision paralysis, where the fear of making the wrong choice hinders progress. So what are some of the solutions that can help? Well, the first of these is to establish clear priorities. Start by defining what's most important for your organisation. This could be aligned with the long-term goals, values, or the immediate needs. Now, once this is done, this will allow you to know where your focus needs to be. Number 2 is gather relevant information. Make informed decisions by collecting all the necessary data and insights from reliable sources, and avoid the trap of information overload by focusing on key metrics and indicators. By doing so, you know that your decisions can be justified. Number 3, engage with your team. So where possible, involve your team in the decision-making process itself. We know that diverse perspectives can provide valuable insights and foster a sense of collective ownership over the decisions that are made. And finally, number 4, trust your intuition. While data is crucial, don't underestimate the power of your intuition, especially if you have significant experience in your field. You'll be surprised, but gut feeling can often guide you in the right direction. So there are 4 practical solutions to consider next time you find yourself lacking in clarity in your decision-making endeavour, and avoid falling into the decision paralysis analysis. Now look out for my next video, in which I'll be talking about the second most common challenge that comes up for leaders, that of displaying effective communication skills. Until then, make sure you like and subscribe so that you can be notified whenever I release new videos.